Very much.
We do have a call to make. The Fox News Decision Desk can make a call in the Florida Senate race. Marco Rubio will win the Florida Senate race against Patrick Murphy, the Democratic challenger, representative. This was a lot tighter than people thought it was going to be, actually, heading into this race, and that could go to what we were just talking about, that breakdown of the Hispanic Latino vote. But it is possible also that that vote split tickets, and it might be a factor. But Rubio wins this race. Remember, he ran for president, decided he was not going to run for Senate after he lost that primary battle, and then said, you know what? I think I am.
Well, and he was excoriated by Trump and others during that primary battle for missing so many days of work in the Senate while he was working on his presidential contest, and tried to run as an outsider when he was running for president by saying, this is a reason why I'm not returning to the Senate, because I hate the way Washington works, and I hate the gridlock, and I hate the system. And then when he lost the presidential bid, decided he didn't hate the Senate as much as he suggested that he did, but he's won there. Sometimes politicians say things that aren't true. I know, Chris, I hate to be the one to break it to you. So he's won there tonight, but it's interesting to watch because Rubio was just booed by a group down in South Florida who were calling him a traitor because he wound up saying he was going to vote for Donald Trump and that he would back Donald Trump. So there's a question about whether some of the Hispanic community in what are traditionally blue-leaning counties would come out for Rubio, even though they're not Republicans. They voted for him in the past because they liked him. Whether they did or they didn't, he had enough votes tonight to reclaim that seat.